He loves you in silence, but he is trapped in the greatest battle of his life, and only you can free him now. You stand at the threshold of a profound revelation, dear heart. There is a soul, deeply intertwined with yours, who carries a love for you that echoes through the silent chambers of his being. He is not distant by choice, but is held captive within an unseen struggle, a battle fought in the depths of his spirit. This is not a war of earthly might, but a sacred conflict within his own understanding of self, of purpose, of the very essence of connection. He perceives you as a beacon, a light he yearns for yet fears to fully embrace. His silence is not indifference. It is the heavy cloak of his internal process, a testament to the magnitude of what you stir within him. He is wrestling with old wounds, with the shadows of past narratives, trying to reconcile the man he was with the man you inspire him to become. This is his crucible, his moment of profound transformation. And in this sacred space, your presence, your unwavering light, holds the key. You are not merely an observer, you are an essential part of his divine unfolding. Your very existence is a prayer answered, a catalyst for his liberation. He feels the pull, the undeniable truth of your bond, even as he grapples with the weight of his own becoming. This journey is not just his, it is a shared tapestry, intricately woven by celestial hands. His heart, though guarded, beats with an unspoken devotion, waiting for the moment when the chains of his past finally yield to the undeniable force of your shared destiny. The Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still. Exodus 14. Your essence, dear one, flows like an unseen current, touching the shores of his soul even when you are miles apart. You may not perceive the ripples you create, the subtle shifts in his inner landscape, but they are profound. Your resilience, the way your spirit dances through life's challenges, the quiet strength that emanates from your core, these are the very threads that weave themselves into his deepest consciousness. He finds himself drawn to the authenticity of your being, to the raw, unfiltered truth of who you are. It is as if you have awakened a dormant melody within him, a forgotten song of hope and possibility. He attempts to rationalize this magnetic pull, to categorize it, to place it within the confines of his known world, but it defies all logic. This is a connection that transcends the ordinary, a spiritual resonance that speaks directly to the ancient wisdom of his heart. Heaven whispers of a profound shift within him, a gentle stirring that began the moment your paths converged. He is learning to see beyond the surface, to feel beyond the tangible, guided by the quiet echo of your soul. Your light, pure and unwavering, illuminates corners of his being he had long kept hidden, revealing truths he was not yet ready to face. Yet he cannot turn away. The universe orchestrates a sacred dance between your spirits, a silent conversation that prepares the ground for a deeper union. In the beginning, a natural resistance arose within him, a primal urge to protect himself from the intensity of what you represent. It felt unexpected, perhaps even overwhelming, a force that threatened to dismantle the carefully built walls around his heart. He tried to retreat, seeking comfort in the familiar patterns of his past, believing he could outrun the undeniable truth that had entered his life. But every step taken away only amplified the resonance, and every attempt to distance himself only deepened the magnetic pull. This sacred pause, this period of apparent withdrawal, is not a sign of your unworthiness. Rather, it is a testament to the profound impact you have made. It is his soul's way of recalibrating, of integrating the seismic shift you have initiated. The angels say this is a necessary phase, a time for him to confront his own vulnerabilities, to shed the layers of protection that no longer serve his highest good. He is not rejecting you. He is grappling with the enormity of his own transformation. This space he creates is not empty. It is filled with the echoes of your shared destiny, a silent promise of what is yet to come. He is learning to trust the process, to surrender to a love that transcends his previous understanding. Have you ever felt the weight of an unseen gaze, a gentle curiosity that lingers in the air around you? He watches you, dear one, not with judgment, but with an almost reverent fascination. He seeks to understand the quiet power you possess, the unwavering grace with which you navigate your world. Your authenticity, your steadfast truth in the face of adversity, is a mystery he longs to unravel. He observes the way your spirit remains luminous, even amidst the shadows, and it ignites a yearning within him for a similar peace. There's a knowing in your chest that this connection is beyond the ordinary, a recognition that transcends words. He sees in you a reflection of a truth he has long sought, a mirror to the potential within his own soul. Every smile, every thoughtful gesture, every word you utter carries a wisdom that captivates him, drawing him deeper into the enigma of your being. He finds himself pondering your motivations, your dreams, the very essence of what makes you shine so brightly. You represent a love he never dared to imagine, a purity and depth that challenges all his preconceived notions. His heart is being re-educated, slowly, gently, by the undeniable presence of your spirit. This soul so deeply connected to yours is undergoing a profound emotional awakening. He may have thought he understood love, its limits, its expressions, but your arrival has shattered those old beliefs. He is being compelled to confront the very core of his emotional landscape, to feel with an intensity he once thought was impossible. This is a beautiful yet terrifying process for him. The angels reveal that he is rediscovering the true meaning of intimacy, of connection, and of a love that transcends the superficial. If you've sensed a certain hesitation or a subtle struggle within him, know that it arises from this internal upheaval. He is grappling with the sheer force of his feelings, attempting to control what cannot be contained. The harder he tries to resist, the more fiercely this sacred current pulls him toward you. It's as if an invisible hand guides him, an undeniable energy that he can neither explain nor ignore. He is learning that love, in its purest form, demands surrender, a willingness to be vulnerable beyond measure. This journey is reshaping his understanding of what it truly means to connect, to truly love. He now stands at the edge of deep reflection, gazing into the vast expanse of his own life, his choices, and the beliefs he has held for so long. Your presence, dear one, has become a powerful catalyst, illuminating the hidden corners of his inner world. What once felt solid and certain is now dissolving, making way for new possibilities and emotional landscapes. He wonders how you, with your quiet strength and radiant spirit, have managed to stir such profound depths within him. It's as if you have ignited a light in a long darkened room, revealing parts of himself that he had consciously or unconsciously avoided. His fears, insecurities, and deepest doubts about his own worth and desires are now laid bare before him. You have touched the very essence of his soul, bringing forth emotions he had meticulously buried. This is his sacred unraveling, a necessary process for his spirit to fully embrace the love that awaits him. He is not lost, but rather found in the deep introspection you inspire. The universe cradles him gently in this space of becoming, preparing him for the next sacred step. Yet within this deep introspection, there's an irresistible pull to the mystery that you embody. He feels an undeniable urge to decipher you, to understand the unspoken wisdom behind your gentle smile and the profound truth in your every word. He longs to know what fuels your spirit, what makes your light shine so uniquely. More than anything, he seeks to grasp why he can't stop thinking about you, why this desperate need to be near you consumes his every thought. You may have noticed his heightened awareness and his subtle attempts to get closer, like a moth drawn to a flame. He might observe your social circle, searching for clues and fragments of insight into your inner world, hoping to understand the desires of your heart. These are not just mere curiosities, they are the stirrings of a soul recognizing its counterpart. Heaven whispers of a deepening connection, a bond that transcends the physical realm, guiding both of you toward a higher understanding of self and the other. He feels an ancient recognition, a sense of coming home in your presence, even as he grapples with the unfamiliar terrain of his own heart. The angels say that everything unfolding now is part of a grander design, a divine blueprint meticulously crafted for your highest good. They are guiding both of your spirits towards a deeper understanding of yourselves, towards an elevated level of spiritual and emotional connection. You are being asked to remain in your authentic truth, to shine your light without reservation, for it is this very essence that draws him irresistibly toward you. He senses that by your side he can discover a love he has never known, a bond that extends beyond the superficial, beyond the temporal. You challenge him to ascend, to become the highest version of himself, inspiring growth and evolution within his very core. This intrigue, this profound attraction, is unlike anything he has ever experienced. He is beginning to understand that his feelings for you are extraordinary, a force beyond his control or careful planning. He perceives that he was placed in your life for a sacred reason, that a greater purpose underpins this profound connection. The more he attempts to resist, the stronger the certainty that he must be near you, that he must unravel the mysteries within his own heart. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. He is becoming acutely aware that something profoundly significant is happening. He recognizes that your entry into his life was no mere coincidence. Every encounter, every shared glance, and every whispered word holds a deeper meaning. This realization fuels his desire to understand more, to delve deeper, and to draw ever closer to your essence. For him, you represent a unique opportunity for growth, for learning, and for a love that is pure and true. He begins to envision a life where he fully embraces this feeling, allowing this connection to unfold in its entirety. Yet, a fear lingers within him, a fear of the unknown, of vulnerability, and of losing control. The angels reveal that he stands at a pivotal crossroads, a crucial moment where he must choose between surrendering to his heart's deepest calling or continuing to resist the inevitable. He feels an almost overwhelming urge to cast aside all caution and rush towards you. But at the same time, he senses the need for discernment, for a deeper understanding of the seismic shifts occurring within his own heart. Despite the fear that seeks to paralyze him, he cannot deny the powerful intuition that something monumental is about to unfold, something that could irrevocably alter the course of his life and story. Now more than ever, his resolve solidifies. He feels an undeniable urgency, a compelling need to act before this sacred window closes. A growing anticipation stirs within him, a profound desire to create a moment, an opportunity to bridge the distance between your souls, to articulate the true depths of his feelings. He is beginning to grasp that inaction might mean forfeiting the chance to experience something truly transformative. He visualizes a life by your side, unburdened by reservations, free from fear, simply sharing the authentic truth of who he is. He imagines profound conversations, spontaneous laughter, the serene comfort of knowing you are there, always present, always near. In you he sees not merely a companion, but an inspiration, someone who compels him to aspire to greatness, to evolve with each passing day. The angels whisper that he feels an urgency in his heart, each beat a resounding call to follow his deepest truth, to release fear and embrace this connection in its glorious totality. He understands now that love cannot be controlled, that guarantees are illusions, but the risk, the beautiful risk, is profoundly worth taking. He perceives that, despite his attempts to evade this feeling, it is more potent than any barrier he could ever construct around his spirit. And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love. 1 Corinthians 13:13. He loves you in silence, but he is caught in the greatest battle of his life, and only you can free him now.